Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Multivac, the MTV token. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. If you haven't seen the previous update, make sure to check that out before watching this one so that you have more context. So as you can see, we are in a downtrend on the daily chart. We're making lower lows and lower highs. We got rejected from the 55 EMA on the daily chart, which is the red line. The yellow line is the 20 EMA, and that is going to be one of our resistance levels that we're going to need to break, obviously. But here I have prepared a couple of support levels for you. So you can see in the last video, I did give you this 0.0082375 level, and we lost that. So this was a good dollar cost averaging opportunity for you. Obviously, you never know when the bottom is in, and I always tell you never to buy in all in at one price, basically. So below here, you have a couple of more support levels, and we'll see if we can actually get down here, but this would be a pretty hefty correction from the all-time high over here. So this would be an 85% pullback from the all-time high. So you have a support level at 0.005835. So this is a level, as you can see, we've hit our head on this level multiple times before, and we've even back tested this level as support after we broke out of it. So this is a significant level. Below that, we have another support at 0.00497993. And this is a level that we've hit our head before on as well. We've back tested this level as support as well. So great level. And below that, we have the golden ratio of this Fibonacci retracement, the 0.618. So if I just zoom out, you can see that we never really back tested the golden ratio as support over here. So this could be the back test of support, because as you can see, well, if I just zoom in a little bit, yeah, we've never really had actually, I wouldn't count this as a back test of support, but we had a wick to the golden ratio before. But as you can see, we've been hitting our head on this golden ratio multiple times, and we've not had a back test of support after we broke out. So 0.0043905 is your support level. And, I don't really envision us going any lower than this, because from where we are right now, that's still another 36% of a pullback. So let's see if we can actually get to the first level that I gave you here at 0.0058350. Now, taking a look at the daily RSI, as you can see, we are in the oversold once again, and we're going to be looking at this green trend line as our resistance trend line from now on, because we've lost it as support, we've back tested it as resistance even. And yeah, so that's something to keep an eye on. Also, what we're going to do is we're creating this sort of a resistance level over here. As you can see, if I just extend this trend line, as you can see, this line does have quite a bit of significance, because we've hit this line multiple times before. So one touch, two touch, we had a three touch over here, almost 4 or 5, but you get the idea. This is an incredibly strong resistance line over here, so we're going to have to keep an eye on this line as well. For example, if you buy in right now, you could look at a take profit at this trend line once you hit your head on it. But yeah, that's it for the daily chart. Now, jumping into the 4-hourly chart on KuCoin, so you can see that we are in this channel down pattern over here. As you can see, we're hitting our head on this upper resistance line, and we are hitting our ass on the support line. We're actually losing this support over here. So you may just adjust this just a bit, as you can see, but you get the idea. So this is basically our channel, and we're losing support. You have your buy zone over here from 0.007922 to 0.005854. That's really where I'll be buying most of my tokens. This is where I'm going to be dollar cost averaging. As you can see, this was a good zone over here, good support zone. So this is potentially going to be our bottom. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously. You have to do your own research, and but this is what I think is going to be the bottom. Obviously, if we go into the bear market, this is not the bottom, but I don't envision us going into the bear market. This is just another shaking out, basically. This is another shaking out, and the paper hands are going to sell, right? But the smart people are going to buy the dip, so hopefully you are one of those smart people. So yeah, like I said, we're losing this support over here, so great entry zones. we are printing a bullish divergence over here. As you can see, we're printing a lower low on the 4-hourly price action, and we're printing a higher low on the RSI. So that's a bullish divergence. Hopefully it's going to play out relatively soon and we're going to have another move. So potentially we're just going to get back into this trend line, or back above the trend line into the channel, hit our head on this white trend line and get sent back down. So potentially look for some take profit at 0.0079 if you're looking for a quick flip, but I wouldn't recommend selling right now. This is the time to be accumulating. You should have been selling over here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I missed out anything on the charts, let me know down below in the comment section, guys. I really like Multivac. Some people say it's a shitcoin for some reason. I don't know why they say that. Probably because they haven't done their research into it, but it is not a shitcoin. Do your own research before throwing out statements like that on the internet. Don't make yourself look dumb. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to check me out on Twitter, as well as our Telegram chat and our Discord community, as well as our Patreon. All the links are in the description. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night. Also, guys, make sure to check out ExpressVPN. This is the best VPN we have out there. So if you want to protect your data and you want to protect your information from your local network providers from anywhere in the city, if you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you're going to be safe using ExpressVPN. So also you can battle censorship with a VPN. For example, if you live in Japan and you want to access the streaming content of a different country, let's say Canada, so with ExpressVPN you can change your IP address and you can access the streaming content on any basically streaming platform. So yeah, and for us in the crypto space, it's really important to keep our data and information safe. And for you US folks out there, it's really good to use a VPN sometimes because you get left out a lot of times with launch pads and different IDOs and ICOs. So yeah, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and also there is an exclusive deal for you. If you use the link in the description, you're gonna get obviously 30 days risk-free and 3 months for free if you decide to sign up for the 1-year plan. But yeah, the links are in the description. Make sure to check out ExpressVPN. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.